Let's use AI to make a short film. Let's begin.
Shadows of Karmic Retribution. Amid the bustling vibrancy of a sprawling Indian city, the veiled Chakra Tower stood tall, its ancient architecture a testament to the stories it held within. It was said that this tower was a dwelling place for spirits that sought justice against those in pain. The tower was situated near the banks of the Ganges, and its dark silhouette against the moonlit sky cast an eerie glow over the sacred river. The saga began with Rajan Kapoor, a wealthy and heartless landowner who exploited the poor farmers for his own gain. Rajan's fields thrived on the sweat of laborers, while he reveled in lavish banquets and extravagant parties. One moonless night, as Rajan reveled in his ill-gotten luxuries, a chilling wind swept through his opulent mansion. A distant whisper reached his ears, a haunting promise of consequences for his malevolent actions. From that moment, Rajan's world crumbled. Ghostly apparitions plagued his nights, the anguished faces of the farmers he had oppressed haunting his every step. The scent of freshly turned soil and the mournful wails of the unjustly treated echoed through his corridors, driving him to the brink of madness. His once lavish banquets turned into feasts of torment, as spectral hands clawed at him from beneath the dining table. The next victim of the veiled Chakra Tower's curse was Maya Khatri, a manipulative businesswoman who built her empire on deceit and exploitation. Maya's factories churned out cheap goods, often at the cost of her workers' health and dignity. As she counted her ill-gotten profits in her grand office, an unnatural darkness crept over her surroundings. The sound of weeping echoed through the room, and the air grew heavy with sorrow. Maya's descent into terror was swift and harrowing. Her office was transformed into a ghostly workshop of suffering souls, their gaunt figures working tirelessly on the factory floor. Her mirrors reflected not her own image, but the tortured faces of those she had wronged. In the dead of night, the machines in her factories would creak to life on their own, the rhythmic clattering a symphony of torment. The spirits that haunted the veiled Chakra Tower bore the distinct marks of their Indian heritage. Moral of the story. In the shadows of forgotten tales, the veiled Chakra Tower whispered a timeless truth. Our actions shape the world we live in. Amidst the tapestry of life, compassion and kindness become the threads that mend broken hearts and restore balance. Just as the tower's spirits sought justice for those wronged, let us remember that our choices hold the power to heal, uplift, and make the world a better place. In a world where darkness and light dance, let empathy guide our steps and compassion bind us together, for even the smallest acts of kindness resonate beyond our mortal coil, leaving an eternal legacy.
Okay, so to generate this type of video, here we need to make script first. So using ChatGPT, we are going to make scripts. Then we are going to create prompts using ChatGPT of the same, and we are going to generate images using Leonardo AI. Also, the voiceover will be generated using 11 Labs. Yes, and one more thing, to convert the image into 3D, to make the image come live, we are going to use Pika Labs. So I'll be sharing all these details in this video. I'll be opening Safari, and first let me just type ChatGPT. Here, ChatGPT. So it has already signed in here. You have to sign in, and you can just, type over here what story you want, or if you want to ask anything, you can just type it over here. So if I just type it like write a ghost story about justice served for wrong, anything you can just type and just hit. So the ChatGPT gives the title, the Spectral Courtroom. So it has already given a beautiful title. So this is a script that is being generated over here. It's still generating. So next it has finished. Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these script, and I'll be pasting in the 11 Labs where I want the script to be like in words, talking. good voice. So I'll be doing that. Also, for the image generation, we need prompts. So I'll be using Leonardo AI for the image generation. So here, what I will do is give me prompts of the same. Give me prompts of the same. So that started writing prompts for image generation. Okay, this is really cool. So 10, it has created 10 scenes here, so we can generate 10 images. So next thing, so this is all, the script is ready, the image generation process is almost ready. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to type 11 labs. So here this first one, 11 labs. Generative voice AI. Yes, this is the site, and you have to sign in here, and you have to write down the story here, or you have to just copy and paste it. So I'll be showing you how we can do this. So this is my previous story that was being there here. Let me just delete this. So here I'll be copying the story from here. So you cannot copy the entire thing. So what you have to do is you have to do part by part. So I'll be just copying this part now, and I'll be pasting it over here. So there's a limit, total quota remaining 6,768. So mine around that much is remaining. So here around 2,500 letters can be fitted over here. So I just I've pasted this one section of the first story. Now I'll be selecting voice. You can also add your voice over here. So here, let me check which voice.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
Okay, this is like really good. So let me add this. And voice setting, no, I don't want to do any of these. It's English. So now I'm going to generate this. I'm going to make it a little less. Okay, so here I'll just press generate. Let's see how this is going to go.
In the heart of a bustling Indian city, amidst the towering skyscrapers and opulent mansions, lived a ghostly tale that sent shivers down the spines of the wealthy elite.
Pretty good. Now what next is that now the image generation. Now the voice generation. For the every script you have to come and paste here, and then you have to just download, generate, hit generate, and then download. So here on the right bottom, if you see, there's a download button here. So you can simply click this, and it's being downloaded here. That's it. So now next thing is image generation. So here I'm going to use Leonardo AI for the image generation. Okay, so here first one, Leonardo.ai. Yes, so here to have access to this account, you have to send them a request. So I have already created an account, so yes, I'm whitelisted. So you have to send them a request, then they'll accept it, and then you can use. My internet seems to be a bit low here. Okay, so these are all the featured models here at the top. You can see how realistic these are. Okay, so here on the left side you have user tools, that is AI image generation. I'm just going to click this AI image generation here, and it's loading. So here what I'm going to do is on the top I'm just going to write the prompt here. So type a prompt it's given. So I'm going to go for my ChatGPT now, and ChatGPT has given me prompts, isn't it? So here from this place I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it over here. Next, so I'll just keep the number of image generation to 2 here. You can keep to 4 as well. Mine is a paid version here. Okay, so I'm getting this 8 number option. So here, if you don't have the paid version, it's okay. You'll get 150 credits daily to generate. That's enough. Yes. So here I'll be also adding this button here, alchemy, and the photoreal as well. So here, as you can see, this will take around 16 of my tokens. Uh, so I'm going to generate. So here, this cannot be changed. So here I'll be creating cinematic. Okay, generate. So it's started generating. Doesn't take so much time. Okay, it's generated. Oh my god! So it has generated a girl, a scary looking, anxious like girl's photo. So here we have given a vengeful spirit known as Adalat emerges in the Indian city, seeking justice for the poor against the rich. That's why that ferocious look has been created here. Okay, so here I'll be generating one more image. Okay, so here courtroom with Indian architecture and group of people sitting. So let me just type a random prompts and hit generate. So I'm going to remove this photoreal now. So it is going to take 8 tokens. Number of images are 2. Let me press the generate. Let's see. Okay, so it has created this beautiful set. I like the first one here. As you can see, the first one, this is good. It has an Indian architecture as well. Yes, it's cool. So you can simply download it here. Download image. You can copy the clipboard. You can unzoom it. You can even upscale it also. So here, I just download this. That's it. So here now the image generation, the entire prompts you can just add here and generate images. If the images are not generated properly like the prompts, you can just make changes, like you have to add your own sentences here just to match the scenario here. Okay, so now next we have generated the script, we have generated the voice, we have generated the image. Now it's time to combine them and add them. Now here I'm going to use my Canva. Okay, Canva, we have opened the Canva now. Here there's videos. Okay, so here I want it to be for YouTube, so I'll be checking YouTube over here. So here, okay, we got this. So I'll be checking this one. Yes. Now here you can just add your generated images from the downloads here. Videos are here. So this is how you upload it over here for the Canva, and just add it over here like this. Yes. And then if you want to add audio, you can just go to audio section over here in uploads and add audios from here.
Life, compassion, and kindness become the threads that mend broken hearts.
Add it over here, and then you can adjust in Canva. Okay. So this is how you make the entire setup. You can just add it, all the images over here. Drag it, scale, adjust. Yes, that's it.